Do I need a professional clean if my home is already tidy?
Yes, even if your home is tidy, it's unlikely to meet the standard of a presale clean designed to impress buyers. There's a big difference between living clean and selling clean. Most homeowners keep things generally neat, but during a sale, it's about going beyond clean enough to camera ready, inspection ready, detail perfect. A professional presale clean includes deep cleaning inside cupboards, fridges, ovens, and drawers, removing invisible dust from skirting boards, vents, light fittings, and ceiling corners. Spotless bathrooms with grout and tile scrubbing, fingerprint-free glass and mirrors, odor neutralization, pets, food, damp smells, hidden corners, under furniture, behind appliances, even small oversights, a smudge on a light switch, water stains on a mirror can subconsciously affect a buyer's perception. With Clean House Melbourne, you're not just getting a clean home, you're getting a home that sells itself the moment someone steps through the door.